So welcome to the second section of the course, and congratulations on coming this far. By now you have a much better understanding than most people about how to be successful on Fiverr, and you've already got your Fiverr account set up. If you haven't set up your Fiverr account, please go back to the last lecture and follow the instructions there. You're going to need your account for this section and the subsequent sections. So in this section, what we want to do is find a gig or service for you to offer on Fiverr. We're going to start the ball rolling here, and I'm going to give you a really simple two-step process to give you the best chance of offering a service that's going to be in high demand. So the first step is really looking at the marketplace and modeling what's already been successful. And then the second step is, adding your own spin. If you can find a gig that you'd like to offer that you think is great value and make it 25% better, have a better title, description, video, gig extras, well then you've got something that you know there's going to be demand for, and you know you're better than the competition, and that is a great way to guarantee sales on the platform. So not a lot of people think like this, but this is a great process for you to be successful. And in other marketplaces as well, eBay, Udemy, Amazon, it's all the same. You can use this process anywhere. So I think this is really a valuable section for you. Get out your pen and paper and keep it by your side. Let's move on now to the next section, where I'm going to show you how you can model what's already been successful and create 75% of your gig. Okay, let's go.